Put on your hat. It's cold.
No.
It's not cold. Let's go for a walk. Amazing. That's my little princess. Hello. Yes, and those are our dogs over there. Yeah, you're eating carrots, and we're just taking a walk. We try to get outside in the winter, even though it's cool. Okay, in this vlog today. Yes, my love. Mama is coming? Yeah. So, Mama is coming. I didn't expect that. What a pleasant surprise to have you here on board today. Are you feeling chilly cold? Anyway, so in this short little family video blog, we are walking because we're doing a couple things. We're having fun, relaxing. The animals are getting their walk, their daily walk. They usually go out 3 times per day in the winter. Our baby is in nature as usual, and we are thinking. Okay, we are thinking because it's cutie la jacka. Because So yeah. And the point is, in this video, I want to talk about preparing yourself to use your natural resources, guys. The land. So we've got mountains, hectares of mountainsides, okay, here in Italy, and we have a very good knowledge of working the land because that's what we do. Okay, we work the land, and just don't let the land work you. And we already have our terraces that we plant on every year, and we already have our water sources. On each terrace have a major water source. Let's go up some more. Let's climb up. And as you can see, as far as you can see in the distance, this olive farm is just ram-jam packed in an organized fashion with terraces. So this one is about 200 meters, 200 meters, 200 meters, 200 meters, terrace all over the place. And we're getting ready to drill down our feet, hands and heart into the soil this year, beginning right now in the winter. Okay? So self-sufficiency is what are going to beat a lot of people. Now, I'm not a big educated guy with a lot of fancy degrees. Come this way, Dalia. Come. Or anything like that to come and tell you, hey, I know exactly this is what's going to happen and this is what you should do. But what I can tell you is, I've got years of jungle qualification and experience, survival speaking, and from the military, and I've got a family, amazing family to look after, not to mention myself. And we've got land. So if you have the land and you have the heart, you can easily get the knowledge. Knowledge is readily available for everyone right now on the internet. And you can apply yourself wherever you are. Because if they say, I don't know who they are, but if they say that you can't go to the supermarket, I don't know what some people are going to do. But I can tell you, Mervyn knows what he's going to do. See, these are already clean, already created. And every year I clean them. And I created these, okay, with my team. All the way down there, 14 of them, all the way over there. Fill with olives for olive oil and fill with food, plants and vegetables on each terrace. And water to back it up. And a mountainside of nature reserve to live in. So, people people that don't know to go back to the land, like what I'm describing to you here, that don't have this inclination and awareness, and they don't move with a sense of preparedness, are going to be like the parable of the 10 virgins in the Bible. I think there were 5 wise and 5 foolish. The 5 wise got their oil together. They got their oil. They fill up the oil. And when the time of scarcity came along, the 5 foolish said, "Can you please give us some of your oil?" And the 5 wise virgins said, "No." So, I don't know who you're going to be like, what you're going to do, but we are now surveying. It's winter. It's not wise to start cleaning up as yet, because the grass is just going to grow right back with all the rains. But it's wise to start plowing and getting some crops into the ground, because right now it's the 30th of January 2023, and if we don't do something, then something will do us. Okay? For example, this right here is a piece of firewood that I'm going to secure right here to put along with all my other firewoods to burn. And that's how we do it. Yes? Yes? Okay? So, we've got trees, we've got wood, we've got land, we've got water, when they fall, we use them as well. So we cut down deliberately in a very organized and conservative-minded way, and we also pick up the fallen branches and use them. So this video is not a video to teach you anything hard and fast, and this is the way, and you mustn't do this, and you should do that. This video is an awareness video. You've got to be aware. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Okay? And some people can't let go from the systematic way of living. Can't. I know, I agree, it's very tough. If you are used to running water to come from thousands of kilometers or miles under the ground into your house, in your living room, bathroom, kitchen, sink, and all of a sudden that water stops coming, it's very inconvenient. It's the same for electricity, and it's the same for gas. Yes, my love? Yes, you can jump. Go! Yay! So, children, particularly, can always thrive and survive in nature and be at fun and be the best version of themselves, I should say, when these times come along. The last pandemic, families suffered. Children suffered the most, I would say. Okay, I could be wrong, but I think so based on what I saw my child went through, our child went through. Rangaboo! Rangaboo! I'm calling my little puppy. Billy! Rangy! It's gonna come in a while. They're very smart. Yeah, so this type of video I'm making while we stroll is for you to be aware that life, you got a family, my friend, like I say again, like I've got a family, you want to take care of your family. And I warn you in this video that if you have children or a child, take them to nature, because this coming pandemic, you can look it up on YouTube. There it comes! Amazing! Yes, very smart. Yes, complimentary, super intelligent. Got about 3 months old. So yeah, now nature is going to be the place, I think, that is going to preserve children. If you see this video and you like it, you can reach me in the email admin@mervintimothyrace.com, and my amazing wife there, she's a psychologist, she knows what I'm saying is true. And you can basically reach out to us if you want to come from a foreign land, foreign country, you got a family, and you want to come and stay in nature for a while away from the pandemic that's coming, we can arrange some type of a stay for you. Get a plot of land, and you can get it on a lease basis because we don't sell land. But you can get it on a lease basis. You can move a mobile home in here or get a pre-built house, nature house, something, and you come in here. And there's a school for children about 2 kilometers down the road there, and all the modern amenities. So this setting is not too far from the big towns and cities, but we are so fortunate that we have this. And it's very big. Yes, my love. Admin at mervintimothyrace.com. So, do you have anything you want to add to my little video, my love?
Pretty much everyone knows it.
Yeah. People need to wise up.
Going back to nature and try and be self-sufficient is the first step.
Okay, so the fig leaves are, the trees, fig trees, the fig leaves are gone. The trees are asleep. You love figs? See? She loves nature. So we're not going to go all the way over there today, but we just take our little stroll here on the olive farm and enjoy it and soak it in and appreciate it and get our nature time, even in winter. See, the trees are blowing vehemently. And that's it. So, thank you for watching this awareness. Hello.
How can I carry it?
No, I need to finish talking to the people. Yes. Rendezvous, come. Come, Dalia, I need the camera, my love. So thank you for watching this video, and like I said, if you want to reach out to us and do something, be proactive. We've got a lot of land, we've got a lot of place here, and a lot of peace, and a lot of harmony, and health and wellness. We are in nature, okay? And a lot of olives, you could learn about a lot of things here. Organic farming, olives, all of these things we do. We do them all the time. We're just getting ready to start this year. When the place is plowed and clean and the trees are pruned and bearing and all of this, it's amazing, okay? Thank you for watching. Remember to like and give a thumbs up and a nice little comment and subscribe and contact us if you need some information. Again, this is Mervin, and take care, be wise, and be safe. Talk to you soon.